Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 43, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, by order dated 5/3/2024, I was asked to file an additional affidavit, Your Lordship. However, I have received a letter from the department asking me to seek more time from this honorable court, Your Lordship. So this matter may kindly be listed after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
You want to file affidavit?
Additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
43.
Yes, Your Lordship, item 43.
The learned counsel, MS so-and-so, appearing for the state respondents. Wait for some time to file the additional affidavit. I have also heard the learned counsel, MS,
Alitosu.
appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed, least up to 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item for 33, 34 to 42. These are connected matters, Your Lordship. Here, Lordship, here the petitioner is praying for a minimum scale of pay, Your Lordship. And for that, the government has constituted one committee, Your Lordship. So this matter may be listed after some time, Your Lordship, so that the outcome of this committee will be brought to the notice of the court, Your Lordship.
Okay, next week. The learned counsel, MS so-and-so, appearing for the state respondent submits that the government is considering the prayer of the petitioner. And therefore, the learned counsel prayed for some time. I have also heard the learned counsel, Mr.
Singlo.
Appearing for the petitioner. The matter is adjourned today, least after 2 weeks,
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Blush. Lordship, I may be allowed to make a mention for item 12, Lordship. I have received the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents, Lordship. Respondents 1, 2, 3, and 4.
You want to file the reply?
Yes, I want to file reply, Lordship. I may kindly be granted 3 weeks, Lordship.
Lordship, I have no objection, Lordship. Here, enough time has been sought by the petitioners in filing the affidavit, Lordship. There's an urgency in this matter. Lordship, the matter pertains to NPA, non-practicing governments, Lordship. The government has issued a notification whereby the private practice of the government doctors has been banned. Now they have come and challenged the notification issued by the government, Lordship.
Look, 1 week time I am giving.
1 week, Lordship.
No, Lordship, there is no stay in this case, Lordship.
No, the question of not
Now-
stay, Lordship. The question
Now,
of disposal.
Lordship, I have filed my writ petition in the month of August, 6th of August last year, Lordship. Now they have filed the counter affidavit only this year on 27th of February. I have filed some RTI applications, Lordship, seeking for some documents, Lordship. Now I am still to receive the information. Therefore, I require at least 3 weeks, Lordship.
Okay, it will be your last chance then.
Yes, no further adjournment, Lordship.
The learned counsel, Mr.
Santiana.
Santianga, appearing for the petitioner, submits that he wants to file a reply in respect of the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents.
Lordship.
The learned N. Mojui,
And Mosaic for 2, 3, and 4, Lordship.
the learned counsel, Mr. N. Mojui, appearing for the respondents 2, 3, and 4, has objected to this prayer on the ground that have objected to this prayer.
Lordship.
I have considered the submissions made by the learned counsels of both sides. The prayer of the petitioner is allowed, least after 3 weeks,
Lordship, no further adjournment, Lordship.
no further adjournment.
Lordship, if it is no further adjournment, then kindly grant me 4 weeks, Lordship, to be on the safe side. Lordship.
After 4 weeks, no further adjournment shall be given to the petitioner.
Deeply obliged, Lordship. I also beg to mention, Lordship, item 22. I want to file my affidavit in opposition here, Lordship.
You are for the respondent.
Yes, respondents 1, 2, and 3.
Okay. The learned counsel, Mr. Santiningar, appearing for the respondents 1, 2,
And 3,
and
Lordship.
3. prayed for some time to file the counter affidavit. The prayer is allowed,
List after 3 weeks, Lordship,
least after
kindly.
3 weeks.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention hearing item number 57. Your Lordship, my senior has some personal difficulty today,
Okay.
so if the matter could kindly be fixed on 13th May.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, I'm for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
The learned counsel MS
And solo.
and appearing for the petitioner prays for adjournment. After considering her prayer, the matter is adjourned today. When do you want it?
13 May, Your Lordship.
Least on 13 May.
Your Lordship, this is an interim.
The interim order passed and it will continue until then.
Your Lordship, I would also like to mention item number 19.
19.
Yes, Your Lordship. Kindly grant us 3 weeks time to file a reply to the state
You are for the?
petitioner.
You are for the petitioner. The learned counsel MS so and so appearing for the petitioner prays for some time to file. You want to file reply?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Time to file reply in respect of the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents. The prayer is allowed when?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Least after 3 weeks.
Much obliged. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 on behalf of Livika. Kindly let the matter come up after 1 week, Your Lordship.
The learned counsel MSA I me appearing for the state respondent prays for an adjournment.
Perhaps, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, if this matter can come up after 2 weeks, not 1 week. Lordship.
What is your name? You are for the petitioner? Who is for the petitioner?
Lordship, I have no objection
What is it?
for the petition.
What is your name?
Manai Kunyar.
I also had Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed least after 2 weeks or 3 weeks,
1 week, Your Lordship.
1 week.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8. His state is yet to file affidavit, so kindly grant me 3 weeks time.
The learned counsel MSA I me appearing for the state respondent prays for some time to file the counter affidavit. I have also had Mr. Appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed least after
3 weeks, Your
3
Lordship.
weeks.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for item number 16, 17, and 20. State is yet to file affidavit here.
17 and
20.
20.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Same order.
Your Lordship, and item number 24 also. State is yet to file affidavit here.
The item number 24 also same order. In 24, who is for the petitioner? You okay, same order.
Your Lordship, and hearing item number 26 and 27. On behalf of Livika, let the matter come up after 1 week, Your Lordship.
On the learned counsel MSA I mean, the hearing is adjourned today, least after
1 week, Your
1
Lordship.
week.
My please, Lordship,
Yes.
I picked to mention item number 9, Your Lordship. I've received the counter file by the state respondents. So I may be granted 2 weeks time to file available in reply. Item
Reply.
number 9.
9.
Yes, Lordship.
The learned counsel, Mr.
Sabamati Holing.
Appearing for the petitioner, prays for some time to file a reply in respect of the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents. The prayer is allowed when?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Least after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 4, Your Lordship.
4.
Yes, Lordship. I pray that this matter may be come after 3 weeks, Your Lordship. And for the petitioner.
You are for the petitioner. On the request of the learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the petitioner, the matter is adjourned today, least after
3 weeks, Your
3
Lordship.
weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2. Kindly let the matter come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. On behalf of Livika.
On the request of the learned counsel, MSA, I am appearing for the state respondents. The matter is adjourned today, least after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Your Lordship, and hearing item number 45.
Hmm.
Kindly let the matter come up after 2 weeks.
On the request of the learned counsel, MSA, I me appearing for the state respondents. The hearing is adjourned today, Least after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Yeah, please, your lordship.
Yes.
On behalf of additional AG, LB Sangam, he's on leave.
Hmm.
So item number 5,
Item number 5.
522.
Huh?
522 and 23, lordship.
522. 22 is already adjourned.
Okay, lordship. 23.
23.
Yes.
5 and 23 same order.
3 weeks of time. file an affidavit.
You heard Mr.
Ajumli.
Appearing for the state respondents. On his request, the matter is adjourned today, least up to 3 weeks.
Lordship, my presence may kindly be reflected in item 23. I am appearing for respondents 1, 2, and 3.
Also heard Mr. Santinengar appearing for the respondents
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Much obliged.
Lordship, on behalf of Zimomi, V. Zimomi, he has some personal difficulties. So item number 25,
Yes.
7.
25 and 7.
Yes, lordship.
25 and 7.
Lordship, item number 7. For item number 7, Lordship, this may be the last time. They've been taking time for,
Okay.
there is no private respondent.
Okay. The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the state respondent, prayed for an adjournment. The learned counsel, MS,
Zed Jimomi,
Jeb Jimoni, appearing for the petitioner, objected to it on the ground that the state is unnecessarily taking time. But after hearing both sides, the matter is adjourned today.
3 weeks.
the learned counsel informed me that he will take only 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
In item number 7,
Yes.
2 weeks.
After 2 weeks,
Yes.
least after 2 weeks. And you said another item,
Lordship, yes, hearing item number 31 and 32,
just a minute, 31 and 32.
lordship.
Yes.
Frankfurt,
Okay. You are for the state respondent.
lordship. 31 and 32.
Do you have objection?
No, no, everything hearing.
Yes, Your Lordship, it has been pending for quite a long time and it's about to land.
Okay, one last chance.
This may be the last chance. No further adjournments.
Okay. The learned counsel, Mr. So-and-so, appearing for the state respondent, prays for adjournment. Stop the learned counsel, Mr. T. Pongani, appearing for the petitioner, objected to it on the ground that respondents are taking time for a long time. Fair. After considering the prayer made by the state respondents, the matter is adjourned today. Least after 3 weeks,
Lordship.
no further adjournments will be given to the state respondents.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 10, Lordship.
10.
I'm for respondent number 3, 4, 5, and 6, Lordship.
Hmm.
I have filed my affidavit in opposition this morning, and I also served a copy to the petitioner as well.
Hmm.
And so my humble submission that let the matter come up on Thursday, that is 9th of May, Lordship.
Okay. The learned counsel MS,
Apila Sanktam.
Pila Santam, appearing for the state respondents, submitted that she has filed the counter affidavit this morning only and also provided a copy of the affidavit to the learned
Petition.
counsel for a petitioner. You want to file a reply?
Lordship, we are ready to go through since, so
Okay.
if necessary, in meantime, we'll file.
Okay. The learned counsel MS, what is your name for the petition?
Mika Aicho.
For the petitioner submits that she needs some time to go to the counter affidavit. So list the matter again on 9th.
9th of May. Lordship.
9th of May.
Obliged, Lordship.
And please, Your Lordship, I'd
Yes.
like to mention item number 28.
Item number
28.
28. Yes,
If the matter can come up after 2 weeks.
okay. On the request of the learned counsel MS,
Asar Rutsa.
appearing for a petitioner, the matter is adjourned today. I have also heard the learned counsel MS so-and-so appearing for the state respondents. After
2 weeks.
Least up to 2 weeks.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Mm.
I beg to mention item number 46 to 56, Lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, I'm for the private respondents in item number 56.
That's it.
Lordship, I pray that I may be given 3 weeks time to file my counter affidavit. Lordship.
In item number
Lord-
56.
Lordship,
Yes,
this is a matter of 2022.
yes.
Now they've been seeking the same time after this honorable court, the notice was published in the newspaper. More than 1 year they came. And after, my lord will kindly peruse order dated 9/11/2023.
Show me the order. Item number
199, in item number 199. They say that they're going to,
Lordship, we entered appearance only in March of this year, Lordship.
that's why they appeared more than 1 year. Now they have filed that under the Gauhati High Court rules, they have the right to seek time. After the honorable court passed that the notice is deemed served. That was dated 9/11/2023. And other private respondent advocates, those who did not file affidavit, even cost was imposed. After that, they came and now they have filed that they have a right to seek time under the.
Lordship, that is not what we have stated, Lordship. We've stated that a notice was not duly served, and that's why that should be a ground for dismissal of the writ petition, Lordship. However, Lordship, we have received the a copy of the writ petition, therefore we want to file our counter affidavit, Lordship.
Okay, one chance I will give.
Lordship,
You are speaking about item number
56, Lordship.
56.
Lordship, my senior's name may also be reflected in the cause list.
Okay,
I am T. Longchar.
okay. In item number 56, you write. MS, what is your name?
Obang Nala Longchar.
Appearing for the,
It's in the cause list.
you are appearing for the
For the private respondents, numbers 7 to 101.
7 to 101.
There should not be delaying tactics, Lordship.
Yes, praise for some time to file the counter affidavit. Stop. MS Jed Chimomi, appearing for the petitioner, has objected to it on the ground that they have been unnecessarily taking time. Para, I have considered the submissions of the learned counsels of both sides. This court is of the opinion that the respondents, private respondents, should be given an opportunity to file a counter affidavit. Therefore, the prayer of the learned counsel for the private respondents is allowed. Least after 3 weeks,
Lordship,
you file it. What is the name of your senior?
I am T. Longchar.
The name of the learned counsel so and so shall be shown in the cause list as the counsel representing the private respondents. List after 3 weeks.
Lordship,
List after 3 weeks along with item number
46 to
46 to 55.
58,
Huh?
46 to 58, this one is.
Or 46 to 50, no, I have passed this order in item number 56.
They are analogous, Lordship.
That is why item number 46 to
58.
55.
55.
55.
Is the last matter. Much obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I think to mention item number 11.
11.
Lordship, your pleadings are completed, so let this matter will come up after 3 weeks.
You are for a respondent.
Lordship,
You can take it. You can take it. The learned counsel MS, what is your name?
Vijayalong.
Appearing for the state respondents praise for some time to file counter affidavit.
Lordship, pleadings are completed, so let this matter will come up
Oh,
after
it's
3
actually,
weeks.
praise for an adjournment. I have also heard both sides. Pleadings are already complete. So list after
3 weeks.
3 weeks for hearing. Admission
Lordship,
hearing,
I also like to beg to mention item number 14 and 15.
14 and 15.
Lordship, The state is yet to receive instructions, so kindly list this matter after 3 weeks.
The learned counsel so and so appearing for the state respondent submits that she is yet to receive instructions. Therefore, she needs separate for some time. I have also heard Mr. appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed. List after
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
In pledge.
Blush.
My pleasure, Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18.
Item number
18.
18.
Yes. Kindly grant me 3 weeks time to file reply.
Or you want to file reply?
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS
A little soon.
appearing for the
Petitioner.
petitioner prays for some time to file a reply in respect of the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents. The prayer is allowed. List after
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Much obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 29.
29.
Lordship, my senior has some personal difficulties, so I pray that the matter may come after 2 weeks now.
Okay. The learned counsel, Mr.
Manai Konyak.
Appearing for the petitioner prays for an adjournment on the ground that the learned conducting counsel, what is the name of your senior?
Moa Jamir.
Moa Jamir, is not available today. I have also heard MS so and so appearing for the state respondents. The prayer for adjournment is allowed. List after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item number 30.
30. 30 also same order.
Lordship, item number 6, I'm yet to file my reply, so kindly grant me 2 weeks time to file the same.
Item number 6. The learned counsel so and so appearing for the petitioner submits that he needs some time to file the reply in respect of the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents. I have also heard the learned counsel representing the state respondents. The prayer of the petitioner is allowed. List after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
You'll be obliged.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in item 13, Your Lordship, I've already filed my affidavit on 21st of March, but the petitioner seems to be an outstation counsel, Your Lordship, and I'm yet to serve a copy. And on last occasion also, the petitioner did not appear.
Okay.
So it may be listed after 3 weeks, and in the meantime, I'll serve a copy of the affidavit,
Okay.
Your Lordship.
Item number 13. The learned counsel MS so and so appearing for the state respondents filed has submitted that she has filed the counter affidavit
On 21st.
on
March.
21st
Of
March
March, yes, Lordship.
2024. But she is yet to find the counsel representing the petitioner. As because the learned counsel for the petitioner is not appearing in the court on the last date also. So today also he is not present. Therefore, the prayer of the learned counsel for the state respondent is allowed. List after
3 weeks, Your
3
Lordship. In
weeks.
the meantime, I'll serve a copy, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 44, Lordship.
44.
Yes. Lordship, I pray that it may come up after a week.
On the request of the learned counsel MS,
Ubang Nanda Longchar for the
appear-
petition.
for the petitioner, the hearing is adjourned today. I have also heard the learned counsel MSAI may appear for the state respondents. List after
1 week, Lordship.
list next week for hearing.
Much obliged.
For motion, item number 1.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
The land holding system in our state of Nagaland is different from the rest of the states in the country, my lord. The land belongs to individuals, and for any development activities, the government has to acquire. My lord, the Oak Dasar Farm, Benuri village under where the office of the Sericulture Office Kipri is established, was donated by the landowners, 13 landowners, wherein the petitioner is also one of the landowners. And at the time of donating the land, an agreement dated 10/5/1978 was executed between the landowners and the department to the extent that grade 4 appointments will be given to the landowners. What happened, my lord? A post of peon cum jogitor fell vacant in the office of the silviculture under the silviculture officer deputy. The petitioner, being a landowner, has applied for the said vacancy. However, instead of considering the case of the petitioner, the respondent number 4 was appointed against the said post by Imperial Order 12/2024. The petitioner, appointment of the respondent number 4 was without any selection process, firstly. Secondly, the respondent number 4 is the son of Shirike Chung Chokyo, against whose vacancy the appointment was made. And then the respondent number 4, he is also one of the landowners, but this is the third time they have been given the appointment, which is also in violation of the notification of 5318. So being aggrieved by the impugn appointment order, the petitioner is before this court.
So you are challenging the appointment order?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, who is for a state? You're for the state, and you are representing the Department of Sericulture also?
Yes, sir. My lord, at this stage, notice may be issued.
Heard the learned counsel, Mr. Longkumar, appearing for the petitioner. Heard MS.
Pichalot.
Appearing for the
State.
You are appearing for all the
For
respondents?
respondent 1, 2, and 3.
For 1, 2, and 3. Issue notice. No formal notice is required to be sent to the respondents 1, 2, and 3, as because the learned counsel has accepted notice. Extra copy of the petition shall be provided to her. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by registered post list after 4 weeks.
Although the appointment of the respondent number 4 may be subject to the outcome of the petition in the interim.
Well, let them first appear.
For admission, item number 21.
Who is for item number 21? None appears for either of the parties. The matter is adjourned today. List next week. Finished.
Miss Pichano. Pichano.
156. Just kata bucinda. Nam kan sakit itu.
Which one operator? Non-reply check mother. নাম কি আছে? ये कोशिश जीता था यार जीता लिखिए अबे आयो आयो